Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by forcing the PC to boot from repair media. Press F12 or enter during post to choose DVD or USB. You must pick the correct Windows 7 edition when prompted, so make sure you noted 32-bit versus 64-bit. Once the installer loads, select Repair your computer rather than Install. You will see the system recovery options. This is where we begin automated repairs and access command tools, so proceed promptly to the next steps. You select Startup Repair and let it attempt automated fixes. This often repairs missing or corrupt boot files. If automated repair fails, open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixmber, bootrex/fixboot, then bootrex/rebuild to rebuild boot configuration. These steps repair MBR and BCD issues. Once done, you can run SFC with offline switches or usystem restore to revert recent drivers or updates. Make sure to reboot between attempts and watch error messages to guide the next command. You now remove the repair media and reboot to confirm Windows starts normally. If it does, run Windows Update and reinstall any drivers that failed. If Windows still won't boot, try Safe Mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates. For suspected disk issues, boot the repair media again and run chkdskc/f to repair file system errors. If you encounter persistent failures, restore from a known good image or backup. Otherwise, these final checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.